This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 57 Case Studies II. This session introduces 3 new small projects with increasing complexity, building upon the foundational skills learned from previous, simpler projects and leveraging different Java programming concepts. The first project involves drawing complex images on a canvas by composing geometric objects like points, lines, triangles, and circles, and creating animations by repeatedly updating and repainting the objects on the canvas. The second project focuses on secure message transmission, utilizing cryptography algorithms and protocols to encrypt and decrypt files, and enabling networking capabilities to transmit encrypted data between a sender and receiver. The third project is a banking transaction system that integrates multi-threading, GUI, networking, and database components using JDBC to handle concurrent client requests for deposits, withdrawals, and account management. The projects encourage exploring various Java programming flavors, fostering teamwork through collaborative development, and simulating real-world scenarios to enhance robustness and prepare for practical software engineering challenges. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.